1 year down the track. $30 power drawbar, still working. Let's have a look. All in all, the $30 power drawbar, quite impressive actually. Works well, works every time. I've never had any trouble with the tool holders coming out of the spindle, ever. I have had a little bit of trouble with them sticking in the spindle, but I think that's due to mainly the age of the machine and the condition of the spindle itself. It's nothing a little tap with a soft mallet doesn't fix to get it out. It really only ever gets stuck in there if they're in there for a long time. If you do a lot of machining with it, sometimes they get stuck in there. Apart from that, I think anyone that's got one of these Bridgeport clones and doesn't want to spend a mozza on a power drawbar, well, that's the way to go. Cheers, guys.